course, now that I'm on video, I can't do it perfectly. Okay. Gonna try to hold the camera this way. So I actually came up with a way better design. The last one had way too much friction. The last one had way too much friction, so I just did this. I'm going to show you a tutorial. I just need to get rid of this. Yeah, I am going to show you the tutorial. So here's everything that you'll need. And okay, so first we'll need these two Technic pieces. It doesn't matter what color. They could be any color. There are 3 Technic pieces long. And you'll need this. Sorry, that was my sister. I'm gonna try to take this apart. I don't know where it went. Oh, that's where it went. Yeah, you need 2 of these, and so I kind of had to, improvise since I didn't have 2 of these pieces. You can actually use these, but you actually need at least 1 of these pieces, because then the whole thing will just fall apart. But yeah, I had to use 1 of these because I didn't improvise. So yeah, you just and then you can count the studs because we're doing homeschool now, and you need to learn how to count. 15, okay. I actually don't know if it's 15. That's just the last number, or I remember counting 2. So then you need 3 of these pieces, and you need to have just a bunch of whatever color you need on them. Whatever color you have, doesn't matter what color. Where did the... I swear I have Lego pieces just running away. Yeah, you need to cover 14 pieces of those, and you just gotta leave these 2 free. I don't know where that tile went. And then just need 1 of these blue Technic pieces. It can't be the frictionless ones like this. Yeah, it can't be one of these pieces, because then it'll just move all around. So you need 1 of these. So I'm gonna show you how to put it all together with 1 hand. I should get a reward. You don't actually need the slope piece, so I don't know why that's there. So first what you need to do is you need to stick these right here. 4 minutes, dang. And then once you do this, you need to put this piece right here. Okay. Now all you need is to get this wood piece, and then since this won't really stick in there, you could just leave it to the side. Now you need these 2 pieces, with the tiles on them. 1 tile right here. Stuff. And 1 tile right here. Okay, and then you want to stick this on the 3rd tile. Just make sure that it has... it doesn't really matter what tile it is, just make sure that it's Oh, on whatever piece you have, just make sure that it's the third tile up. God. Okay. Then you just gotta stick these, or this piece right here. And then shove these Technic pins in. And then when I say make a Lego butterfly knife, I have a tutorial for this type of Lego knife, or Lego butterfly knife. I just haven't uploaded it because I'm lazy. Well, actually, I did upload it, but YouTube took it down.